Hey guys, Chronic here, and for the 5th video today, I am going to be showing you how to pre-generate your world. Now it all starts off with you needing to give yourself all permissions. As a server owner, you should have this permission done for yourself anyway, but I'm going to teach you how to do it now. So what you're going to want to do is go to your console, located here, and you're going to want to type in LP editor. Now, LP editor is something from Luck Perms mentioned in a previous video. If you're new, please go check out my other videos in the Midnight Hosting Solutions tutorial series that I've been doing. So what you're going to want to do here is find your users and find you as a user. You just want to type in Luck Perms dot asterisk shift 8 basically is the asterisk permission. What this does is it gives you every permission ever. So yeah, go here and we go a little there. That's every permission for Luck Perms. My bad. Okay, we're gonna go back here. We're gonna also just do start permission. Start permission. There we go. Add that in. Make sure that's you who's receiving that. Hit save, copy, paste. There we go. So this also requires another plugin that I've mentioned before in a previous series, and it was actually the one I described on how to install a plugin in the first place. So I suggest you check that out. So first step is you're going to want to fill a border around your spawn area. So we'll go to spawn here right quick. Spawn is right here. Let's say we want to just pre-generate like a couple chunks around here. So world border set. That'll give you the area or the different commands you can use. So what we want to do is WB set radius X, radius Z. First of all, day. I don't die by zombies. One border set 500 by 500 radius. Then what you're going to want to do is world border fill. So I'm going to warn you now, this will pretty much make your server unplayable for the time it's generating, but after it's generated you will notice a lot less lag in your server because most of the lag comes from generating new chunks. If you get all that out of the way before players actually get onto the server, it eliminates a lot of the lag issues that you'd be having. So what you'd want to do is WB fill. Now you're gonna just type in WB fill confirm, and you're off to the races. Now if you check our console, you'll notice that our CPU is pretty much going to be pinned. So yeah, not a good thing to do when players on the server. But as I said before, this will help a lot of the lag. You know what? While I'm here, I can show you another way to reduce lag. So go into your file manager, go into server.properties, and find the where are we at? Build height view distance right here, line 24 for this one right now, and put that to like 7 or 8. I want to put it to 8. 8 should be good, especially in combination with generating the world. Compression threshold, put that to 512. Save content, and that will apply next server restart. Any configuration changes, you're going to want to restart your server when possible. So if we go back to here, we're already 12% done. I'm going to pause the recording for now while this does its due. Alright, I'll see you guys in a second. One thing I do have to mention is beware your server space, because pre-generating the world obviously will take up more space. Back to pause. Also, quick note on what you're going to need to do. Change max tick time to just 99999. While you're generating, because your server can hang for quite a little bit. So save content, and do your generation. Hey guys, one more thing I learned. It will run your RAM dry a couple times, so you're gonna have to sit here and restart it every time it crashes. Because after it hits 2 gigabytes of RAM, it'll just die. Back to pause. Alright, 3 server restarts later, and we are finally finished. Now, for the last time, we're going to restart the server just to clear out the RAM. It's always a good thing to do every now and then too, by the way. So I'll get back to you once it's restarted. Alright, now that our server is on ambient RAM usage, that should be good to go. There'll be a lot less lag in the server when your players are roaming around, and yeah, that concludes this tutorial. Leave a like if you liked it, and if you would like to continue watching the tutorial series, you can look back at the videos before this one, or yeah, leave a like for if you like these. I'll start creating more. Have a good one, guys.